Right, so this question asks us, this is a word problem involving fractions and division, and it says a road crew must repave a road that is 3/8 miles long. They can repave 1/48 miles each hour. How long will it take the crew to repave the road? So they're going to repave road that is 3/8 long, and they can repave 1/48 miles per hour. This was miles. Okay, and they can repave 1/48 miles per hour, and it wants to know how long will it take. In hours. Okay, so I'm going to show you two ways to do it. So so first of all, we're going to just change these numbers, and I like to use 10 and 2 the most. So I'm going to say they're going to repave a road that is 10 miles long, and they can repave 2 miles per hour. How long will it take them to repave the road? So if the road is 10 miles long and they repave 2 miles per hour, it will take them, in this case, 10/2, or 10 divided by 2, which is 5 hours, right? So now I'm going to replace my 10 with 3/8 divided by, I'm going to replace my 2 with 1/48, right? And then to multiply or to divide this, I keep this first fraction and I flip the second one. I take the reciprocal. So I get 3/8 times 48/1. And 3 times 48 is 144 over 8. Oops. And 144 divided by 8 is 18. So it will take them 18 hours. Then I wanted to show you another way. So they gave me the length of the road, and this is the total length. So the road is 3/8 miles, and I want to end up with hours. And then they can repave at 1/48. When it says miles per, it means per always means divide. So this is 1/48 miles per hour. So another way that we can do this is we want to end up with length in hours. So I want to end up with hours in the numerator in my final answer. So that tells me that I can rewrite this as 48/1. This is now hour over miles. And if I multiply that by 3/8 miles, and this is just over 1, since there's nothing else, this is just miles, not per anything, the miles will cancel. And again, I get 48 times 3 divided by 8, which is 18. So you can do this either way. You can rewrite it so that the hours will end up on the top, since that's what we're looking for. It'll give you the same answer. Right, and then, but I like to do it this way. I find this way makes the most sense to students.